When it comes to radiant, youthful skin, most of us invest in serums, creams, and an arsenal of skincare products. But what if one of the best-kept secrets to glowing skin isn't found in your bathroom cabinet, but in your kitchen? According to dermatologists and nutritionists alike, avocados are the powerhouse food skin experts swear by for youthful, vibrant skin. Why avocados? Avocados are more than just a trendy toast topping or guacamole staple. They're packed with skin-loving nutrients. Rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamins E and C, and antioxidants, avocados provide deep nourishment at a cellular level. The healthy fats in avocados help maintain skin elasticity and moisture, which is crucial for reducing signs of aging, says Dr. Lila Gomez, a board-certified dermatologist in New York. They also combat oxidative stress, which accelerates the aging process. Nutrients that make a difference. Here's a breakdown of what makes avocados a youth-preserving superfood. Vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects skin from damage caused by free radicals, environmental pollution, and UV rays. Vitamin C, essential for collagen production, your skin's natural scaffolding that keeps it firm and plump. Monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats keep skin supple and hydrated, reducing dryness and fine lines. Lutein and zeaxanthin. These carotenoids help protect the skin from UV damage and contribute to a more even skin tone. The science backs it up. Several studies support the skin-boosting benefits of avocado consumption. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that women who ate one avocado a day for 8 weeks showed improvements in skin elasticity and firmness. Another study in Nutrients highlighted how avocado's lipid profile enhances the skin barrier function and improves overall skin tone. How to add avocados to your diet. You don't need to eat a bowl of guac every day, though no one's stopping you. Here are a few skin-friendly ways to enjoy avocado. Blend into smoothies for a creamy texture and added healthy fats. Mash on whole grain toast with a sprinkle of hemp seeds and a squeeze of lemon. Add to salads, grain bowls, or wraps for a satisfying, skin-nourishing meal. Use as a topping for soups or omelets. Bonus, DIY avocado face mask. For a double dose of benefits, try a simple avocado face mask. Ingredients: half-ripe avocado, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon plain yogurt. Instructions: mash and mix all ingredients. Apply to clean skin and leave for 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water for soft, hydrated skin. While no single food is a miracle cure, incorporating nutrient-dense ingredients like avocado into your diet can significantly support skin health from the inside out. So next time you reach for a beauty product, consider starting with your plate instead. Your skin might just thank you with a luminous, youthful glow. While avocados are a top choice, other foods like blueberries, walnuts, and fatty fish also contribute to youthful skin. A balanced diet rich in antioxidants and healthy fats will help you maintain a glowing complexion for years to come.